Hello, today I will show you how to quickly and easily lace up New Balance 480. This tutorial will allow you to lace up New Balance 480 loosely so that they do not fall off your foot. So let's get started. Thread the laces through the bottom 2 holes. Then take the right end of the lace and thread it through the second left hole from the bottom. Then take the left lace and thread it through the second bottom hole from the right. Next, take the right lace and thread it through the left hole. Now take the left end of the lace and thread it through the right hole. Continue to the end. Now take the right end of the lace and thread it through the last left hole. Take the left end of the lace and thread it through the right hole. Now you can adjust the length of the laces if you wish. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.